City. It was cloudy. The temperature was 74. This is your National Weather Service radio station, WXK 85 in Oklahoma City, operating on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. Programming originates from the Norman Forecast Office. We make the difference when it matters most. Thunderstorms are developing rapidly along the surface boundary across western Oklahoma and western North Texas early this afternoon. At 1 p.m., the strongest storms were located near the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge, stretching southwestward into Fort County across western North Texas. As these storms move northeast at around 30 to 35 miles an hour, they will have the potential to become rapidly severe with large hail and damaging wind threat initially. Later this afternoon, low-level winds will increase, which may enhance the potential for tornadoes. Additional storms are expected to develop through the afternoon from northwest Oklahoma southward into western North Texas. Given the environment, storms may rapidly become severe with the potential for large hail and damaging winds. Remain alert for severe thunderstorm development. The following is your hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook covers northern, western, central, and southern Oklahoma, and western North Texas. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight, thunderstorm outlook. There is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms through tonight across portions of Oklahoma and western North Texas. Location: the slight risk area is generally northwest of the Natoka Lake Murray line, including all of northern, western and central Oklahoma, and western North Texas. Timing: the most likely time for severe storms will be from 4 p.m. to 2 a.m. Recommended actions: storm spotter groups and emergency management. The personnel across the risk area should plan for severe weather operations from this afternoon through early Saturday morning. Discussion: a diffuse dry-line/frontal boundary will continue to shift northwestward and sharpen across western Oklahoma and portions of western North Texas through this afternoon and evening. As low-level winds increase today, a moist and very unstable air mass will develop over the area ahead of this feature. Severe thunderstorms are expected to initiate late this afternoon and evening along this boundary. Given the magnitude of instability and wind shear, supercells are expected with the threat of very large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. The strongest storms will produce hail to the size of baseballs and damaging winds of 70 miles an hour. The tornado threat will increase this evening as the low-level jet increases, aiding in low-level storm inflow and rotation. Probability table, valid through 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Saturday, April 14th. Probability of thunderstorms occurring in the National Weather Service Norman County warning area, 70%. Probability of severe storms if storms occur, 80%. Other hazardous weather, none. Days 2 through 7, Saturday through Thursday, thunderstorm outlook. A potent upper-level storm system will overspread the region Saturday, with an unstable air mass in place, and very favorable wind fields in place. Severe thunderstorms are expected. Storms will initially fire along a dry line over western Oklahoma during the late afternoon and evening hours. A cold front will begin to overtake the dry line during the evening and overnight, shifting the threat for severe weather eastward through Saturday night. The threat for severe weather will then continue into Sunday as the front moves into southern and eastern Oklahoma. Given very favorable conditions for severe storms, supercells are expected Saturday afternoon with an initial threat of very large and damaging hail, tornadoes, and damaging winds. Strong tornadoes will also be possible with the strongest supercells. Storms are expected to merge into an eastward moving squall line ahead of the front.
Hold on.
Saturday night into Sunday with the threat
Yeah.
of hail and damaging
Yes.
winds evolving by Saturday night
Yes.
into Sunday. Prepare now for threatening weather conditions. Ensure storm shelters and safe rooms are ready in the event you must take cover this weekend. The threat of severe weather will end Sunday night as a more stable air mass moves into the southern plains. Other hazardous weather, none. National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 160, effective until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, and Payne. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The following is a special weather statement. At 1:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was low.